As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin it doesn't move to nowhere. We spend all the whole day sideways here. There is no volume in Bitcoin, and also we tell you that we spend all the week here. As you see it here, that means there is no volume. People those days, all of them, they are in shit coins and meme coins. And that why even us, we change it from day trading the Bitcoin to shorting the meme coins. We're making very nice money that week. Even today, we're making money. By the way, guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yes, my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button which is down, make sure to smash the like button and to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Us today and yesterday we killing it guys. As you see it, we enter a short in Trump meme coin. What it happened? It hitting for us the first take profit as you see it here. Second take profit. Me personally I close it at the second take profit. Some people they are with me, they write it more down. Then what happened today again? We enter in another meme coin. As you see it, his name Troy. It hitting for us the first take profit here and the second take profit here. So if you want to benefit him from our daily signals guys, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. So if you want to make money, yes my friend, if you want to make money with professional people, that the job of them, the link of our Patreon is it down. You click at it, you're going to land here in our Patreon, that one or that one. You finish the payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down in the description of that video and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see Bitcoin here, there is no volume in it. No one buying Bitcoin those days. As you see it, we still have here that inside bar as we talk about. We're still waiting it if it's going to be broken above here for us to go more long or to be broken down here for us to enter a short. At this time there is no breakout above or down. Based on the option we showed you yesterday, we told you even that week where we are, we're going to spend another sideways week here. Yes, it might we're going to see a little bit pumping above, but the Bitcoin is still in a downtrend guys. There is nothing changed. We need investors. Without investors buying Bitcoin spot, there is no move, and those days we don't see any investors. That's the big dilemma guys. So we need to wait until we're going to see a pump happening or a dump, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. We got another very important thing here in daily. Let me show it to you. As you see it guys, the 20 moving average, he crossed below the 50 here, and the Bitcoin it's still here stuck between the 50 above and 100 down. So it's a lot bad guys. Let me be honest with you, there is nothing here telling us the Bitcoin is going to go above, but let's see, maybe something, and I hope something nice to happen to the Bitcoin to push it more higher, because those days Donald Trump every day he talking, but we don't see any move. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days, because if we're looking at the stock market it's still pumping, but the Bitcoin as if is dead here, doesn't got any investors, and that's bad for market guys. And the reason why that we tell it to you, because of those ETF, that the result of them. So I think I explained everything. If we're looking here at the Bollinger Band, what it's telling us, we touched that one here. Let's see now when we're going to touch the 20 moving average, if we're going to break it and we're going to go to the top here at 103k. If that happens, we're going to be good for Bitcoin. If it's not, maybe we're going to touch it and the Bitcoin to give us a new low. And if that happens, it's going to be very bad, guys, because if we're breaking that 100 moving average, I tell you the low 79k. Oh, let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. As every Sunday, also we come here, we show you the on-chain analysis to know where you are fundamental for Bitcoin. Let's start by the first indicator of us. The first indicator, guys, that one here, also we follow it every time. Stock flow, we tell it to you, the color here, it's become orange, and as you see it here, guys, that one here, it's try to suit the Bitcoin, as you see it here. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming days, because the color here, it's become black here, and sun is going to become yellow, guys. When it's become yellow, that the top base on that one here, as you see it, where we are, you're looking with me here, we are exactly at that zone here, we are exactly at that zone here, we are exactly at that zone here. And me, I tell it to you before, what did I told you guys? I told you there is one of two. We're going to repeat that cycle here, the cycle between 2012 till 2014, or the cycle, that one here, between 2016 till 2018, or we're going to back that cycle here. Till now, that cycle where we are, it's the worst one in all the past cycles. As you see it, guys, that cycle where we are, it's look the worst one, because look at it from the blue here till here. Actually, Bitcoin it's move a lot. From the blue here till here, Bitcoin it's move a lot. From here till here, the Bitcoin it's move a lot. But now here, look from the blue where we are, there is no moves, guys. And man, people they losing hope in Bitcoin, and that's very bad. What accuse that? It's those big wells they enter. Now retail investors, they said Bitcoin is too expensive and you can't make money from it. That number one problem, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Now it's going to see the second indicator we got today. Second indicator, that one here, he telling us with top up, guys, because if you're looking at it, look at it here, look at it here, look at it here. When the purple cross above the red line, it's the top. It happened here, guys. The purple line, it cross above the red one. Let me zoom it to show you those things what I'm talking about. Let me make it like that. Do you see it here? Look at that place here. You see when is it that purple one cross above the red one here? That the top. Over here, the purple one is cross above the red one, guys. Yes, in history, the top it's been when we touching that red line, that man maybe is going to go the Bitcoin to touch that red line, but we need volume. Without volume, guys, that one is going to come out, and that going to lead us to a bear market again. So everything is possible, guys. That the second indicator we're telling us. Second indicator telling us we top up. Now let's see the third indicator we're saying today. That one here, based on the view of it, we haven't top up yet. The top, it need to be till we're touching the top here of that band. The top of it exactly here at 260k based on that indicator, guys. At man, Bitcoin, it's left for it more room to go above to touch 260k. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Maybe Bitcoin from here is going to fall down to touch that low here, and after that to give us a new high, and that 4-year cycle, this cycle is changed, guys. We will not see 4-year cycle anymore in Bitcoin. Remember that. So all those on-chain analysis indicators in the future, they are going to change themselves. Remember those things, what I'm telling you very, very, very well. Another indicator we got today, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That one, he telling us with top up, guys. Because if you're looking at the 2022 cycle, we touch here, then it fall down. We touch it, guys. You see it here? We touch the same level based on that indicator. So it's telling us with top up. The only things you can make now are uptrend like that, and you wait it to be broken here for you to enter again in a bear market like how it happened here. Look at it, guys. When it's breaking here, it entered the bear market. Look at it here. When it's breaking here, it entered to the bear market. Same thing here. When it's breaking here, it entered to bear market. Now the of you need to wait that one here to break here to enter again to bear market. So you need to be careful, my friend. Another indicator we got today, let me show it to you. Another indicator we got, it's Pi cycle. Now, what does on-chain analysis is telling you guys? Because if you're looking with me, some of them they're telling you with top up stock flow, we are very close to the top. Also, we need to sell when the color become yellow. Also, we are very close to yellow. Two other indicators, the top up, the third that band, it's not yet top up, and Pi cycle, it's not yet top up. Pi cycle, it's need that fast moving average, that one here, with sky blue, it's need to cross above the top one. That one, it doesn't happen, guys, because if we came here and we zoom in like that, what you see? In the past, you see the blue one, he touches here. That one here, it doesn't touch it. But how is going to touch it, guys? We need volume. Bitcoin, it's need volatility to touch the top one. Till now, there is no volatility, guys. The only time we touch it is it here. Because that time we used to have volatility. Now we don't got volatility to push the Bitcoin more higher. And that the bad things, guys. So everything is possible, and those indicators, they are not made by God. They are made by human beings, and they follow the price, guys. The Pi cycle, Bitcoin price, it touched the lower of that Pi cycle, guys. So you need to see what's going to happen, because also when we touch it like here, then we pump. Another time we break it down, then after that we pump. Another time, same thing. So you need to see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Top is very close. It doesn't left for it a lot of time, and if I'm not wrong, I will tell you the Bitcoin is top up, but everything is possible, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here's Bitcoin in 12 hours. We're still stuck here between those moving averages. There is no volume, and that bad, guys. I saw some people today, they are in my VIP Discord. They said Bitcoin, there is a pump coming, something like that. We're going to pump it. When you saw the shit coins, they started pumping, guys. Guys, you need to understand each and every cycle of Bitcoin. The first thing, Bitcoin is pumping. We see it. Second thing, those top 10 and top 20 cryptocurrencies, they pumping. We see it. We see the Ethereum, we see the XRP, we see the Sol, we see all those cryptocurrencies. The third phase, shitcoins and meme coins, they started pumping, and we are seeing it now. That's why me, I told you also, we are in the last days of the bull market. Accept it. Don't think I'm a mad person, but that's the fact, guys. Let's go back here to the chart. The chart here, we told you that 98k, it need to be broke. Till now, we haven't seen it getting broke. Bitcoin those days is very manipulated, guys. There is no volume. It's only market makers, and those people, they put in stop losses here, and those ones down here. So there is no clear direction. Even those moving averages, look at them, what they're telling you. They're telling you there is no clear direction here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Me, I told you we got here the down channel here, that one here. We told you maybe we touch the lower of it here, then from that we're going to go to touch the top of it. And I told you the second scenario, we're going to stay sideways like that till we touch it. Then after that, the Bitcoin is going to give us another low. So everything is possible, guys. Look at it. Look at those things I show you here. Levels, you need to look at them. Let me show it to you. Levels, you need to look at them for all the week, guys. It's not for 1 day or 2 days. The top level here, 98,775. That level here, 102,603. And that one down here, 95,486. So those was the levels, or the 3 levels, you need to look at them. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the XRP, same thing. We told you from here it's going to make a smaller pump. We give you the reason why. We told you it's going to come back to touch that downtrend here. and he came, he touched it exactly here. Look at that. Now the next level you got in it volume, where is it? Is it that one here or that other block here? Let's see if the XRP going to came to touch it. That number one scenario. Second scenario, that pump here is just a trap enough so that we're going to see the XRP falling down. Even that one it's possible. So that the only things here in daily. Let me show you in 4 hours to get more clear picture for you. Let me show it to you. Here in 4 hours we tell it to you. And yesterday we touch here the 200 moving average. We try to bounce from it. Now let's see for the second time when we're going to touch it, if we're going to break it and we're going to go to that 3.10. That number one scenario. Second scenario, he touched it the first and he will touch it the second and he couldn't break it. He's going to give us here a price action indicating the XRP is going to fall down again. Even that one it's possible, guys. Another thing very important, now you came to the tail of that candle here and you draw here an uptrend like that. If the XRP fall down a break it here, you can enter a short. If the XRP breaking the 200 moving average in the 4 hours, you can catch another long if you missing the entry from down here when also used to tell you the XRP is going to go more higher, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum it's staying here sideways in that level. Now let's see if it's going to pump and to break for us above here. As me I told you, it's going to give us here a symmetric triangle like that. And if it's breaking here, we are going to go back to 3,400. That possible. If it's not and the Ethereum stays sideways here, then it's breaking down. We're going to fall down more than that, guys. At this time, no one is investing in the Ethereum. As you see it here is the same thing like the Bitcoin. Let's see if we're going to see a pump or no. Another very important thing here in the Ethereum, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? The 20 moving average, he crossed above the 50, but the Ethereum doesn't got power to go above to break the 100 moving average. So we need to break it for us to know the Ethereum is going to go back to that zone here. As me, I show you 3,300 or 3,400. Now let's wait and see, because as you see, guys, we got two zones. That zone where we are, and the top zone is it exactly here at 3,400. If we go from 4 hours to daily, let me show you. Here in daily, same thing, guys. Also, we still below the 200 moving average. Those moving averages here, they're telling us also we are in a downtrend. And the places we got volume here is it that zone where we are exactly now at 2,695. And another zone is it above here at 3,400. Where is that 100 moving average here? People there with me, also we buy a little bit of Ethereum here. We haven't passed 10% of our cash. I told you we got here the down channel like that. Not the down channel, and I told you when we are going to touch the top of it, we're going to sell that Ethereum also we buy, and we give you the reason why. So if you want to benefit him, exactly when also we buying the Ethereum and where we put in stop loss, take profit, when is it the right time for long term or short term, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily signals, guys. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum or our indicator what it's saying today in Ethereum. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see, there is no power to keep it in the place where the bulls they control, and very quickly it entered to that zone here where there is no one is controlling that market. So we need to wait till volume came back, guys. Without volume, there is no moves. Volume, it's representing for you demand, guys. You go into the market, you want to sell no matter what is it. You want to sell shoes, collect, whatever, and there is no one to buy from you. You are the only person in the market. That's what's happening to the Bitcoin, guys, and the Ethereum. There is no demand. No one is buying them. That's why we are very flat like that. That's the second week in a row and we are flat like that. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin we show you we got here, that one here, that the down channel actually we got in daily in 12 hours. We touched the lower of it here. We said maybe the Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of it, but it looked like we are going to stay sideways like that till we touch it here. Then after that the Bitcoin is going to give us a new low, guys. And now a lot of you they are going to say, why are you saying that the Bitcoin is going to pump? Guys, we explained that thousands of times. Bitcoin without demand on it, it will not move, guys. And Bitcoin those days, no one is buying it. They buying ETF, and ETFs they don't buy in Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is at like that flat, guys. We need people to stop buying those ETF and to come back to buy Bitcoin spot. That time we're going to see Bitcoin pumping. But if that doesn't happen, there is no move, guys. We're going to stay like that for a year. There is no move. Tell those big whales or those big investors, they will get fed up of Bitcoin and they will start selling it. Me and the people they follow me in my VIP Discord, why we getting fed up from day trading Bitcoin and we go now with day trade shit coins? Because Bitcoin doesn't got volume, and without volume there is no opportunity. Same thing applying here. Now here, based on technical analysis, I show you that level here, it's need to be broke. Till now we haven't break it. Low, we told you that one here, it's need to be broke. We couldn't break it, guys. So how is that Bitcoin is going to move? I think I explained everything. I know I'm harsh a little bit. I know a lot of you, they got hopes building Bitcoin. But guys, we need volume. Us, we are not even 1% from those people they hold in Bitcoin. And if we don't see huge buying pressure here, Bitcoin it will not go to nowhere, and maybe we're going to see people they losing hope in Bitcoin. That the only things I can tell you now is going to see something very important happen here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Here in 4 hours we touched that 100 moving average. I tell it to you in yesterday, but look at it again. We go back to the same situation. Too much manipulation in Bitcoin those days. A lot of people they losing money, and that's very bad for market, because when a lot of people they losing money, those people they are not going to enter again. Let me hope we're going to break by the weekly candle close that 100 moving average, and we go back to touch the 200 moving average, and that going to attract new investors to come to invest in Bitcoin. If that doesn't happen, I'm not going to move to nowhere, guys. And guys, also we putting those videos here for you to see it. In yesterday video we told you the top 105k and down 91k. All the week we're going to spend it between that two levels. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see our indicator. We're saying today here in Bitcoin, our indicator after it touch extreme oversold area, so technically it's need to go to touch extreme overbought area. That in normal days, but also we are stuck here in that wall here, guys. So we need volume. That the only things I can tell you. We don't need to waste a lot of time. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the Bitcoin, you remember that uptrend also we used to show you before. That one here is getting broke here. That's what it's telling you. The Bitcoin is going to dump. Yes or no? Now what you need to look at, if you're missing the intro or something, you came to that low here. You see that one here first time. Second time, if it fall down and break it here, the Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys, till that low here, 93k or something, or maybe lower than that. Because in the top, look at it, that zone here, there is no power to break it. You see it or no? And the Bitcoin is going to do like how it used to be before. It's going to fall down after it touching that top here to that low here. And we are going to spend another week sideways like how we used to be. If you remember what else we told you, going above, give you here a price action, fall down. Give you here a price action, going above. Give you here a price action, fall down. Give you here a price action, going above. Same thing now. It's going to fall down to that low here, guys. Bitcoin, it's not going to nowhere, guys. That's my view personally. Believe it, don't. I'm sorry if I'm being harsh, but that's the reality, guys. Always if the volume enter to the market. Without volume, we are not going to go to nowhere. Cryptocurrency world is changing. Believe it, not, that up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the extreme overbought area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter a short? I told you that low here, if it's getting broke here, catch a short and go with it till down here. That's my view personally. If we're looking at the down indicator, what it's telling us, that one here, what is it telling us? Also, we are in the zone where is the bulls they controlling. That means technically, also we still in a bull market now. But let's see if the Bitcoin going to come to break for us that level where we touched 99k. If you remember what me I told you, we got some stops at 99k till 100k. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to liquidate them and we're going to see a pump. If that doesn't happen, we're going to see Bitcoin from here falling down again. So I think I explained everything. If you want exactly to benefiting from our daily signals, not only in Bitcoin, now those days we change, we given even for other cryptocurrencies, you can join our VIP Discord. If you're not just by our analysis, you can make money, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment if it's possible. Well, see you in another video, guys. Bye for now.